Humane, a company founded by former Apple employees Imran Chaudhri and Bethany Bongiorno, has launched its AI Pin, a screenless wearable aiming to redefine personal devices. The AI Pin envisions a future where daily communication needs are seamlessly integrated into a discrete pin worn like clothing. Users interact with the device through voice commands, tapping to answer calls, and viewing information projected onto their hand. Former Apple employees Imran Chaudhri and Bethany Bongiorno have generated high expectations for the AI Pin launch, offering a distinctive outlook on personal devices. The AI Pin comprises two main components: the AI Pin itself and a rechargeable battery. Attachable through magnetism, users can also opt for additional accessories for enhanced support and style. The device's core, the AI Pin, houses crucial components, including a 13-megapixels ultra-wide-angle camera, a laser ink screen projecting onto the user's hand at 720p resolution. Privacy concerns are addressed through the Trust Light system, using colored lights to indicate device activities such as image capture, green, or microphone usage, orange. The AI Pin employs an RGB beacon for discrete notifications, with colors corresponding to various alerts. The device includes an 8-core Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, 4GB RAM, 32GB storage, supports LTE and 3G, and features a dual microphone array with Bluetooth. Voice commands, combined with touch and gesture controls, facilitate tasks like making calls, sending messages, checking the weather, and real-time translation. The hand serves as a dynamic screen, displaying information and controls for various functions, navigated through gestures. Humane emphasizes user control over data capture, assuring that the device only records images, videos, or audio with user consent. The Humane Center web portal serves as the hub for advanced settings, storing photos, videos, and notes. Scheduled for release in 2024, the AI Pin comes in Eclipse, Equinox, and Luna colors. Priced at $699, users must also subscribe to a $24 monthly fee for T-Mobile connectivity. Humane's AI Pin pioneers the future of personal devices, challenging traditional smartphone norms with its innovative approach to communication and interaction. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to support independent news.